friends, this is Gabrielle Ishell. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a Shein haul. So this is the very first top that I got from Shein this spring, and it is super cute. The shorts, I've had them for a couple years, but I love the outfit together. High-waisted shorts with a kind of crop top off the shoulder shirt, and I'll let you see it close up. So if you're going out or even like to the beach, the mall, anywhere, you can wear this. It's really cute, but you just have to keep retying it, and that's the part that I don't like. Overall, I think this is super cute. It's a really good fit. I definitely thought it was going to be too big for me when I took it out the package, but I like it. The next outfit I have here is a one-piece romper. It has a floral print, and this is like a blue/gray color. I don't actually know what color it is, but it looks blue, but it also looks gray. Super cute. Either way, I thought it was going to be too big for me just by holding it up, and I'll show you how it looks like when I'm not wearing it. But it looks kind of big. And it is a little big like up here, but that's fine. I think it fits down here well too. Last year, one of the rompers that I bought from Shein was too tight, and the area right down here where my butt is was too short for me because my butt is a little bit bigger than the models, I guess. But this romper is really cute. It's very comfortable. I think it fits very well compared to the romper that I bought last year. I really love ruffles. They can turn something from basic to flirty, fun, girly. So I love that. And then just like twirling with the ruffles or just shaking them, I think it's really fun. So this is a very fun outfit. So this is basically going to be a bikini haul because I got like 5 or 6 bikinis or swimsuits from Shein. So yeah, so this is the first one here. I do like it. It's a really good fit, like all around. It's a little cheeky on the butt area, but it's not as cheeky as some of the other swimsuits I got from here before. I do like the fit. There is a little bit of under boobage area here, so if I were to stretch, it could slide up a little bit, but overall I think it's good. The padding that is in here is very much thicker than the padding that I'm used to having in my swimsuits. I really like this gold buckle right here, and it's a kind of a cutout here. So very cute, very sexy. So this is the second one, and I love this one. I absolutely love cheetah print, animal print in general, but mostly cheetah print. I really like it. So it's like a sort of like a wrap thing. So you like pull this over and then tie it here to secure it. So I don't know how reliable this would be if you actually go swimming, but if you're going to a party to look cute or whatever, I would definitely recommend getting this one. It's super cute. Just don't know how well this tie will stay like this because this is so thick. I feel like the bikinis where you have to tie the strap around the back, they're a little bit smaller and easier to tie than this here, but it's really super cute. I absolutely love it. It is a little cheeky in the back, so I will not turn around to see the full. You can see the side, but it's cheeky. That's all you need to know. Very cheeky, but very cute. This one is also very sexy on my grown woman-ish. I love this one. I love it. This one might be the first one I wear this summer because this one is the bomb.com. Oh my god. Okay, so this is a close-up, and so when I think of one pieces, I think they're very good for girls who have a bigger bust area than I do. So I was kind of hesitant to get it because of that reason. I thought that it would make my boobs look a little bit smaller, but it looks good. Like my boobs look good. Team B cup, but got a little cleavage going on here, and I like that. And once again, the cups here are very thick compared to what I'm used to in a bikini, so I do like that. So cute. Oh, and I washed all of these swimsuits before I put them on. Obviously, I'm actually a germaphobe, so even before this coronavirus thing, I was doing certain things that a lot of people are doing now because of coronavirus. But anyways, I washed everything before I used it, let it air dry, and I obviously then tried on to know if anything shrinks, but I think that it is a good fit. Everything is fitting good so far, so. Okay, so this is number 3, and oh my god guys, I'm in love with all of these swimsuits. Obviously this is why I picked them, but this one is super cute. All of them fit a lot better than the ones I got last year did as well, so yeah. So I love the little ruffle on the right side and the little peekaboo thing going on in the middle. I think it fits really good. It's not too tight. I have space here. It's not like choking me or like, you know, it won't make a mark from being too tight. Anyways, the back, I am not really a fan of this clasp here, so I don't know if you can see. I'll try to back up as close as I can, but here the clasp, and I'll try to turn it this way, it doesn't lock, like it doesn't make that locking sound. So I feel like it is secure the way it is, but I would like that reassurance of that click sound to let me know that everything is good. But this is one, sort of like a bra, you have to clasp the back before you actually put the straps on, because it's kind of impossible to do it like that. And especially because this little clasp is different than a lot of the other ones I've seen. Super, super cute. And we are talking about tropical here. I need to be on someone's beach, someone's island right now. Right now. This one is not as cheeky. I think I just have a big butt, guys. Well, a big butt for a smaller girl. A lot of the girls, the models online don't have a big butt like mine, so it doesn't look like it's cheeky, but on mine I feel like it is a little cheeky. Not, like I said before, not as cheeky as I've had them before, but it does show a little cheek, but it does have really good coverage compared to other ones. I believe this is a high-waisted swimsuit. It goes up a little bit above my waist here, and I do like this tie here. So this one is really, really cheeky. I can't even turn around all the way, guys. It's cheeky. It's like a thong, basically. It shows my whole butt. Luckily it comes with a little skirt that I can tie around, and now I can kind of turn around. You can't really see my butt like that, but this is super cute. I had to get it because I don't think I have anything that has my favorite color, purple, in it, so I thought this is very nice for a tropical island as well. It has like a long slit here. I'm gonna have to do another video side by side so you can see the slit going on. Super, super cute. Now this one, I would say this is for someone who is a part of the itty bitty titty committee like myself, because there's no support here. So these have adjustable straps just like bra straps do. You can move this up and down to adjust the strap to make it more secure, but this is not securing anything. So if you have bigger boobs, this is probably not the swimsuit for you. And even like they're hanging over a little bit, but yeah, super, super cute. I love it. I love it. And the back, I love the little ruffle here, the flare that it's giving. It's very simple, and this is a very cute girly swimsuit. This is the very last swimsuit that I bought. This one is basic, kind of, but not really. It's very flirty, very chic, very classic, very classy, timeless. You can never go wrong with all white or all black, so this is why I bought it. I love the little ruffles here that are going up and down the straps, and this one here has a clasp, but it's in the front. It does close all the way, so that is no concern for me. This is the back. This is very comfortable and very sturdy. It feels more secure than the last one that I had on, so I would see this being good for people with a little bit bigger boobs than I do, because there is more support here than the very last swimsuit that I tried on. This has a high-waisted bikini bottom with ruffles going around all the way around the bottom. Very cute. I love it. It's very simple, but it makes a statement, you know what I mean? So I feel like this is something for a bride or someone who is supposed to be like the center of attention. So like if it was my birthday, maybe I would wear this. Want everyone, all eyes on you. I think the fit is really good. However, down here it is a little bit bigger. I've seen someone say this on a Shein haul. I think it was Unika. She said that this looks like a little diaper. It looks like a little diaper. It is a little big down here in this area, so I might have to put it in the dryer to let it shrink a little bit. But since it's big in the front, it's also a little bit bigger in the back, so it does a good job in covering more of my booty than the other swimsuits do. And honestly, I feel more comfortable with more of my butt being covered by the swimsuit than it being very cheeky like some of the other swimsuits that I wore. So just in case you are wondering about the sizing, I did get a small for everything that you saw in this video, and I am 5'8.5" and I weigh 126 pounds. So those are just for references. If you liked anything that you saw me wearing today and you want to find it on Shein, I'll try to leave the links below so you can find it easily. And I forgot to show you, I had 2 more accessories to go with my swimsuits. I got a pair of sunglasses here. And these are very different for me, but I'm going for a cute, fashionable summer this year. So I got that. And then I got this cute green little bag like this. You can wear it like this, or your arm like that. Or you can put the chain on it. Super cute, small. I think this is for fashionable purposes and not really that functional, because there's not a lot of space in here. There's no pockets or anything, so definitely just for the look that I'm going for and not for functionality, because I usually carry a big purse with a lot of stuff in it. So yeah, I think these are super cute. And also very affordable, just like the other things. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know hot girl season, hot girl summer is on and popping this year. I've been out the game for a little bit, but I'm back, and hot girl season is about to be on full blast. Oh, it's about to be hot girl season, so you gotta get cute. You gotta get your new cute swimsuits, because we're going out this summer. We're going to the beach this summer. We're going to the pool this summer. We're going to somebody's island this summer. I am. I don't know about you guys, but I definitely will be. And I just wanted to have new swimsuits to add to my collection, and they're very affordable. So like, I purchased one swimsuit from Macy's. It was $100, and then I got this other really nice swimsuit from another store. I don't remember the name of the store, but it was like a Ralph Lauren swimsuit, and it cost $80 or $90. Shein is affordable, very cute swimsuits, and guess what? I bought 5 swimsuits and then 2-3 other pieces of clothing for about $130. So I bought 5 swimsuits for the price of the one that I bought from Macy's a couple years ago. So why not? Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to click the subscribe button down here. Click the bell to be notified whenever I post. And until my next one, I will see you guys later. Bye.